special edition now of our Bronson Health Chat this morning. Our guest is Dr. Robert Gorman III, who is an orthopedic surgeon with Bronson Orthopedic Trauma, Foot, and Ankle Specialists. And coming up this Thursday, Dr. Gorman and four other Bronson experts will present a panel discussion on joint pain and treatment options, and that'll take place at the Beacon Club. And we're pleased that Dr. Gorman has joined us for a chat this morning on WKZO. Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Appreciate your time this morning. Well, Doctor, what's the some of the causes of joint pain? Why do we have this plaguing us?
Well, our joints are moving parts, and like a lot of moving parts, they can wear down. So sometimes it's, for lack of a better word, wear and tear, just from use. Sometimes there can be a specific injury that can, be traumatic to a joint, and there are other causes of joint pain and arthritis, like rheumatoid arthritis and some other illnesses that afflict people.
Well, what treatments are available to help someone cope with these pains?
Well, sometimes it's as simple as rest and strengthening the muscles around the joints. Joint pain usually is inflammation of some type, so anti-inflammation medicines and ice and elevation. Sometimes we'll go to more treatments like physical therapy or even cortisone or other injections in joints.
So now if a person has tried every non-surgical option available and they still have issues, what's the next step to treating this?
Well, there are surgical options for certain types of joint pain and certain types of people, and joint replacement is one of those options, and that's kind of the focus of our talk this Thursday.
Dr. Robert Gorman III is with us, orthopedic surgeon with the Bronson Orthopedic Trauma, Foot, and Ankle Specialists on a special edition of our Bronson Health Chat this morning. Let's talk a little bit about joint replacement surgery. It seems pretty, I don't want to say common necessarily, but a lot of people have it. But what do you tell people when they face the prospect of this to help get them through it? Because it sounds like a daunting thing to have happen.
Well, it is a big deal. It's to have surgery of any kind is a scary proposition. We try and give people as much education as we can to understand what it means to go through an operation and perhaps even more importantly the recovery after an operation. We have with time gotten pretty skilled and experienced with our techniques for surgery and the joints, the actual implants that we put into folks, and we have a whole team approach with nurses and therapists and other members of the healthcare team to try and get folks through.
Well, the free program is coming up on Thursday at the Beacon Club in Kalamazoo at 6:30. It's entitled, Do You Have Joint Pain? Learn about your treatment options. How can listeners be part of this free program?
Well, it is free and open to the public. Refreshments will be served. If you go to bronsonhealth.com/classes, you can register there, or also calling the Bronson Health Answers team at 269-341-7723.
And in the meantime, where can patients go to get additional information on some of the things we've talked about, joint pain, joint replacement, or maybe make an appointment if they wish?
Well, that same website of bronsonhealth.com, or for the orthopedic department, you can call our main number, which is 855-618-2676.
Dr. Robert Gorman will be a part of the panel discussion on joint pain and treatment at 6:30 Thursday at the Beacon Club. The other experts will include Dr. Grant Bowman on shoulder replacement surgery, Dr. David Christ on knee and hip replacement surgery, as well as anterior hip replacement surgery, Dr. Mayron Lichterman, finger joint replacement surgery, and Rebecca Bollinger, an orthopedic nurse navigator who coordinates care and provides education to joint replacement patients. We thank Dr. Robert Gorman for joining us on our Bronson Health Chat this morning. We appreciate your time.
Thanks so much, Ken.